Have you ever seen plants talking? Plants can communicate in different ways. They send chemical signals to each other. Some even warn of danger ahead. They can also attract pollinators and influence neighboring plants' behavior. Some plants can harm or even kill other plants through various mechanisms. This phenomenon, known as allelopathy, involves the release of chemical substances that inhibit the growth or survival of nearby plants. Additionally, some plants are parasitic, attaching to and drawing nutrients from other plants, essentially attacking them. Black walnut. Trees in the walnut family release juglone, a substance toxic to many other plants. Sunflowers, wormwood, sagebrush. These plants also utilize allelopathy to inhibit the growth of competitors. Pine trees. Pine needles release allelochemicals that can suppress the growth of plants underneath them. Certain plants like onions can inhibit the growth of asparagus and beans, while brassicas can stunt the growth of nightshades like tomatoes and peppers.